Gene Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com, student meteorologist here with your latest information. It's afternoon edition here. We're looking at the possibility of severe weather. Obviously, certain areas have possible severe weather, other areas do not. We're going to look first at a overall radar and map to see first that we have severe thunderstorm watches here in Tennessee and Kentucky, and also right here down here in Georgia and South Carolina, part of Charleston. And you see these yellow things are all warnings. We're going to go into these warnings momentarily. We got here Timms Ford Lake, severe thunderstorm warning. You see this cell is moving to the south-southwest. Different direction on these storms. Nice, good, healthy cell here under severe thunderstorm warning for the next 35-40 minutes. Then down here also we have clusters of cells moving around here, down here, South Carolina area. And anyways, these storms are slow movers, so they can dump a lot of rain over time period. So you gotta be careful both with rain and damaging wind is your main threat today. Look at the convective map here for Storm Prediction Center today. This area still hasn't really gotten its act together. Up there, we could see some tornadic activity up in the upper area of the northern high Rockies and plains. And also we have that area down here, Georgia, South Carolina, Tennessee. Nashville's included, Atlanta's included. The warm air is still there with that warm front. The warm front's sitting basically in this general area. We got some cooler air coming into right now into the Roanoke Valley. I mean, temperatures have dropped off into the 60s and 70s, and it's damp and muggy and misty. So our severe weather threat pretty much is dead here in Roanoke. Between that and the fact that we probably it's in the wind out of the north, it's cold air damming, and it's keeping the temperatures cool. But out here, you got to watch out for them damaging winds, and heavy rainfall is your main threat. Tomorrow we increase the opportunity of severe weather and tornadic activity up in the upper Midwest, and we have an area about South Jersey that comes down in this direction that has a chance of isolated high winds threat tomorrow. It's still not good enough for Storm Prediction Center to put up as a organized area of severe weather, but there could be some severe weather tomorrow, so we have to watch that. More information on that will come along on the overnight edition later this evening from me. Take a look here at the National Hurricane Center. You can see we have a couple spots, one in the Caribbean, one way out here in Cape Verde near the Atlantic. Cape Verde season is starting up, and as a possibility, we were talking about this yesterday, this area was starting to look a little healthier and was getting into better environment. So we have to see if this will continue its continuation of development. We'll have to see. I mean, at this time, it's a broad tropical wave, but you can see there's trying to be some circulation in here. A low is trying to develop in the general area of here. And we have to watch that because this could really get its act together. And if this gets its act together, these sort of storms that have the potential to go across the Atlantic can actually become pretty good sized storms. So we'll take a look at the computer models on this also in a few moments. As you can see, the broad wave out here, this is moving mainly to the west and west-northwest. We have a whole front dropping down here. We also have to watch these areas for development at this time of year, and this area is flaring up here with a upper level, mid-level low circulation. This is a low probability development, and this has a much better probability development, especially with the thunderstorms acting the way they are. One of the reasons this is in good shape is look at all the moisture ahead of it. You see this is dry air is retreating actually, and the less dry air there is, the more probability of development, especially around this 10 latitude, which is a normal area. With this front pushing in, it'll moisten the atmosphere. So this is actually giving itself a way to possibly make this thing stronger over a period of days. We have to keep a look at it here, LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Bob will keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it. Everybody at this website, meteorologist-wise, will keep an eye on this system and update you. Any other low development probability area is right in here, and it's not really organized yet, but as I said, it's getting into an area that is better and more favorable for development. You can see just scattered rain showers, some heavier rain near Martinsville, but there's a lot of rain, drizzle and rain around the Roanoke Valley, pretty much trapped up in the valleys right now. Some nasty, cooler air actually. It feels nice actually outside to be out there, but as I said, with the mountains, it's condensing that air and making precipitation. So we're getting some rain in the Roanoke Valley. Nothing really that impressive. But we're going to take a look now for the 7-day. We got tonight 64 degrees. Pretty nice for an overnight low from what we've been seeing. Showers and light rain likely. Tomorrow, chance of showers and light rain. 78 degrees. What a difference. Light chance of rain, thunderstorms on Sunday night. Monday, we are looking at 86. Sunshine will come back out. Unstable atmosphere. Uh, the unsettled pattern, 86 degrees. Then back into the 90s on Tuesday. With slight chance of thunderstorms. 94 as the heat returns for Wednesday and Thursday. And 95 on Thursday with chance of showers and thunderstorms. So we're getting into a nice cool break this weekend, but we're going to get back into the heat next week. For now, this is Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com. We'll have an update with the LiveWeatherBlogs.com overnight edition. Till then, it's Dean Davison. Have a great afternoon.